Duralife Glass Carafe. The reinforced glass carafe is compatible with many Black+Decker 12-cup coffee makers. Measurement markings. The clear measurement markings let you know exactly how much coffee your brew will produce. Lines range from 4 to 12 cups. Multiple lids included. The replacement carafe comes with 2 removable lids, making it easy to fit this carafe with most Black+Decker 12-cup coffee makers. Dishwasher Safe Carafe. Yes. Comfort grip handle. The smart design of the handle allows for comfortable gripping and pouring. Compatibility, BCM1410B/W/R, CM0950B, CM0960BF, CM1010B, CM1050B/W, CM1060B/W, CM1200B/W, CM2020B, CM2030B/R, CM3005S, CM4000S, CM5050, DCM100B/R, DCM2160B/BC/W, D755, DLX1050B/W. Refresh your Black+Decker Coffeemaker with a brand new replacement carafe. It's got the same design and ease of use as your original carafe because it's an authentic Black+Decker product you can trust. Black+Decker and the Black+Decker logo are trademarks of the BLACK+DECKER Corporation and are used under license. Cup equals approximately 5 ounces, varies by brewing technique. Black+Decker and the Black+Decker logo are trademarks of the BLACK+DECKER Corporation and are used under license. Top reviews from the United States. Better than original. Bought a new coffee maker and accidentally broke the carafe within the first year. The original always would spill when pouring and had to wipe the counter spill. Replacement is perfect and never spills. I was mad when I broke the original, but that became a blessing in surprise.